Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm still looking at this as a big WXY. Yesterday's CPI news actually caused it to go down, but I'm still looking at the monthly time frame as eventually continuing back up to complete this WXY pattern. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, there's no doubt that the thing is still going down. It looked like it was trying to go up, but then yesterday's CPI news caused it to continue back down. This right here, I still think is a 1. I still think this is a 2, and I still think that eventually it is going to go up and make this uptrend for a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C, which is a wave C of Y, because a wave Y should have an A of C, a B of C, and a wave C of C, or wave C of Y, that is. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm still looking at this wave 5 right here as a wave 1. I'm still looking at this as a downtrend A. 1, 2, 3 waves up B. Even though this is very, very odd looking to me, I mean, I still think there's a good chance that this could keep on going up. Now, there's definitely no proof that it's going up yet, and I think we should be looking for sorts on sort of time frames because it may be more likely that it does go down before it goes up, but I still don't really trust that this thing is really continuing the downtrend. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, big push down as you can see. And if you actually go back up to the daily real quick, there's actually a pretty clear little trend line here. I don't really use trend lines very often, but that is definitely a pretty clear little trend line right there, and we definitely got a little bit of a bounce from that trend line. But anyways, going back down to the 4 hour time frame, there's definitely no proof that this is going up yet. We don't have any higher lows. We don't have any breaks of structure. It kind of seems more likely that it will do something like this. Then once we get that, then you can throw your Fibonacci retracement on there and look for either 3 waves up and an entry to go short, or if you're a short time frame trader, maybe you can look for longs, and if it turns into a trend reversal, that's going to be like a bonus trade. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it does kind of look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it seems to me like it's really struggling to make a wave 5. For me, a wave 5 is not really a tradable entry. I mean, most wave 5s are very short and sometimes they make higher lows, so it's not really a tradable entry for me. And I would prefer to wait for a break of structure or a significant higher low to prove that this downtrend is over. Then I would throw my Fibonacci retracement on there, and I would either look for 3 waves up and a Fibonacci bounce to go short, or if you are a shorter time frame trader, then possibly you could be going long at the end of pullbacks. And if it does turn into a complete trend reversal, like I was talking about on the daily, that's going to be actually a bonus for you. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program on my website that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.